Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Arctic region. Why in news? The Arctic, once an isolated frozen frontier, is fast becoming a hotspot of global geopolitical rivalry. Melting ice due to climate change is unlocking new trade routes and access to vast reserves of untapped natural resources, making the region strategically and economically important for major world powers. Why does the Arctic matter? According to the 2009 US Geological Survey, the Arctic holds about 13% of the world's undiscovered oil and 30% of its untapped natural gas. The region is also rich in rare earth elements, especially in Greenland. Melting sea ice has opened up alternative maritime routes such as the Northeast Passage and Northwest Passage, potentially reducing travel distance between Europe and Asia by thousands of kilometers. Who controls the Arctic? The region is primarily governed by 8 Arctic nations: Canada, Denmark via Greenland, Finland, Iceland, Norway, Russia, Sweden, and the US. These countries form the Arctic Council, focusing on environmental protection and indigenous rights. Unlike Antarctica, which is protected by international treaty, the Arctic is governed by UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, allowing nations to claim extended continental shelves and exploit resources. Emerging tensions and stakeholders. Territorial claims. Canada, Denmark, and Russia have submitted overlapping claims to the Arctic seabed. Russia in particular has been assertive, including symbolically planting a flag at the North Pole in 2007. US-Canada dispute over Northwest Passage. The US views the passage as international waters, while Canada claims it as internal, affecting control over shipping rights. Russia's Arctic ambitions. Russia has deployed nuclear-powered icebreakers and maintained Soviet-era military bases. It has suggested claims over Norway's Svalbard, raising concerns among NATO members. China's strategic entry. Though not an Arctic state, China declared itself a near-Arctic state in 2018 and has supported the Polar Silk Road for trade through the Northeast Passage, requiring Russian cooperation. US interest in Greenland. US President Donald Trump revived interest in acquiring Greenland, citing national security concerns. The move caused diplomatic tensions with Denmark and triggered regional militarization efforts. Conclusion: as climate change reshapes the Arctic, geopolitical tensions are heating up. The lack of a comprehensive treaty, unlike the Antarctic Treaty System, leaves room for militarization and competitive resource extraction. Cooperation through multilateral platforms like the Arctic Council and UNCLOS is crucial to avoid potential conflict in this fragile region. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about the Arctic. The Arctic Council consists of 8 Arctic nations, including Greenland as an independent member. UNCLOS allows nations to claim extended continental shelves in the Arctic region. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.